We have a light, easy installation, placed in a low profile area for a kitchen, a dining room, indoor. 110 volts, 2700 through 6000 Kelvin, 1500 lumens with many hours of runtime. We're going to show you what this light is about, what you get inside, how to install, and what it looks like. Black, gray, or white. These are CCT 90 lights. They got 2700 Kelvin through 6000 Kelvin. 1500 lumens, flush mount to the ceiling, manual switch. What you have here is nicely packaged and protected, a very narrow light, 15.75, nearly 16 inches in diameter. You have a plastic shield cover that comes in the box that you're simply going to install. It is frosted white. You have an instruction guide with the hardware. We're going to show you how simple this is to install. You get everything here. You got the plastic cover. You got the mounting holes for a junction box, or simply nail it to the wall and plug it in. You have a cover. I'm going to show you how easy this is to put on. You simply just place on, push in, locks into place. In order to get it out, you simply just push on the ends inward, grab it, and pull, like so. Comes right out. I do it real slow so you get to see how we get it out, just like that. Inside are your optical lenses, your plastic LEDs. Located here is your Kelvin switch from 2700 all the way up to 6000. Before putting the cover on, we'll go through all the Kelvins. It's got a nice design, little curves, and they're plastic behind it, as you can see. And they're going to accent your room. You get the screws and wire nuts, and you get the hardware kit with long 1.5 inch screws and a right angle Allen key. We'll get into this later in the video and show you what it's used for. We're going to hang our light right here. We have a ground, and what I do with my ground is I hook it up to my ground area. After it's hooked up, it hangs hands-free, and I take my load of neutrals and I start to lock it in. I have here is my junction box. Everything goes in, and I simply align up, find my screws, rotate, and lock down. And before I put my cover on, I turn my AC on and I turn my switch on for my lighting. I have my lights on nice and bright, and I want to change my Kelvin. I have 2700 to the next mode, to the mode after, and so forth, right up to 6000 Kelvin. I'm going to show you how to put this on. We're going to turn the light off first. All you need to do is grab, place on, but make sure you have your Kelvin set to what you like, and push in. And let's slide down. You want to change the Kelvin. This is the right angle key. You place it in on an angle, you grab, and you pull down. Then you grab the unit and you push up with the bend, and off it comes. And then you're able to change your Kelvin. It is a manual switch. This is a before shot, before the lights are on. And what they look like when the light is turned on from the side, 360 degrees around. It has a nice accent all around the light for a dining room, a living room, a kitchen, a hallway, a studio, and more. The lights are dimmable with an optional dimmer switch or remote control that you could dim down to 10%. You could change it on their option of 25, 50, 75, and 100%. We're going to change out the light, put it to a softer Kelvin. We have 2700 Kelvin of 1100, 1500 lumens. Great for a laundry room, great for a closet, great for any place that you need to put a flush mount light on a low profile ceiling. These lights are 15.75, 16 inches in diameter, made of plastic. A nice light for your lighting needs.